A very good morning, children. Children, in our previous videos, we have learnt about light, sources of light. So, today we are going to learn about some objects like transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay, children, objects are mainly classified as transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Now, what are these objects, children? Children, when the light rays from the light source falls on an object, okay, then either the light will pass through the object or the light rays will bounce back. Clear, children? So, when the light rays passes through an object, then that object is called transparent object. What it is called, children? Yes, it is called transparent object. So, when an object allows the light rays to passes through them, okay, then that objects are called transparent objects. For example, now look at this glass. Okay, this glassware is made up of glass. Okay, now can you able to see through this glass? Yes, okay, I can see through this glass clearly. Okay, so this is an transparent object. It is clear, children? So all the glasswares and spectacles also. Okay, spectacles also are examples of transparent object. Thin plastic are also an example of transparent objects. Okay, so those objects that through which we can see clearly are transparent objects. It is clear, children?
Now, children, in our house, we want sunlight to come in the rooms and kitchens. Okay, so we use transparent glass in window panes in the rooms and kitchens so that sunlight can enter in the room. Okay.
Now, children, the next type of objects is translucent object. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a translucent object? Children, those objects which allow the light rays to pass through them partially, not completely. Okay. Those objects are called translucent objects. Okay. For example, I have a paper and I have applied oil on the surface of this paper. Now, can you able to see through this oiled paper clearly? No. Only I can see through this oiled paper partially. Okay. You can also try this at your home. Okay. Apply some oil on the surface of any paper and try to see the things through that paper. Okay, you can't see the things clearly. Okay, you can see partially only. So this is an example of a translucent object. Is it clear, children?
Now there are some other examples of translucent objects also, children. That means frosted glass, colored plastic sheet. These all are translucent object. Light colored wet handkerchief also becomes translucent, children. Okay. Now, what are the use of these frosted glasses, children? See, children, these frosted glass are used in the bathrooms. Okay. We want the light to enter in our bathrooms, but we do not want anyone to see inside. Therefore, we use transparent substance, that is translucent substance, that means translucent frosted glass in the window panes in our bathrooms. Clear, children?
Now, children, the third one is opaque objects. Okay. Children, there are some things through which we cannot see a single thing at all. Okay. So, those objects which do not allow the light rays to pass through them are called opaque objects. Okay. when the light rays from the light source falls on these objects, then all the light rays gets bounced back. Okay, all the light rays gets reflected. So these objects are opaque objects. So there are so many examples of opaque objects. For example, your doors, okay, curtains, okay, through which you can't see clearly, okay. And I have this steel, this glass made of steel, okay. So can you able to see through this glass, children? No, okay, I can't see through this glass. So this is an example of opaque object. Clear, children? So
Children, at night when we switch on the lights in our house and we don't want anyone outside to see inside, okay, so what we use? Yes, we use curtains made of opaque material, that is cloth, okay, to cover the window panes at night. So this is an example of opaque object, that means cloth. Clear, children?